Hey guys, Ronald again with a recap of the London and Bond Open till the New York Open. The New York Open is right now at this moment. I mark it on my charts always. So recap of the Ultra Bonds today. Today is 2nd of November, Tuesday, and we had a very ranging London session. I only took one trade. I'm gonna show you. I only took one trade on the London, and here it is. Let me show you. I set on my hands. Let me check this one also on the other charts. So I try to keep this video short this time. What was the big thing we had to look at? This was open of the end of yesterday, and you see it's pretty crowded, pretty messy. We came from below yesterday, we moved up, then we see we're not really making new highs, and then we have some nice deltas on these lower highs. This was London Open, by the way. So we dropped during Frankfurt. Some guys trading Frankfurt had some nice trades on this short and this move up. I was away. I was having breakfast with my kids. So then we had London Open. So it was not pretty clear, but I was looking at this structure. I see price broke, retesting. So I was looking for clean shorts, clean structure to the downside. So then we had this. This is the 2-1 Renko. Let's see how this looks. We had this Frankfurt, we had this break. Some guys traded this break. Again, I was not there, so I missed that one. Then, where is it? Here. Yeah, okay. So, standard deviation 2, standard deviation 1, standard deviation 1, I'm still testing. It gives you an idea of structure and price just at one glance. So we have VWAP, we have POC above. I see structure a little bit ranging on top of the deviation 1, and I see big delta coming in. I see the same thing here, almost unreadable, by the way, on this double top here, and I took this short. Just 4 ticks in and out. Could have done it again on the second one, but I did not have enough confirmations on that one. I'm gonna look at my other signal charts if I missed something. Where was it? No, we had only a signal here, multiple confirmations. We like multiple confirmations. This one we took. Then if you just look at it like this, there's not really continuation. You can take it up, you can take it down, but there's no zone here. So you don't take longs, you don't take shorts. This might be a short, but I had not enough confirmations. This is also the previous value area high and a zone, so that is why I took a short. Was primarily looking for shorts, and I also see this divergence and a whole list of confirmations. So that was nice. Then I just waited and waited. Some guys traded this long. I did not, because I don't really like it. We had multiple confirmations on this one. Bounce of SD2, multiple confirmations, but I let it pass. I didn't like it. It was a good one. We have multiple confirmations on this one, but I only took this one. So nice second positive delta against this negative delta. I waited. We had some Euro PMIs and some other marketing PMI of other European countries, and that can make Ultra Bonds range, and we can see more action after that news. But after this news, price did not do much. We were ranging around VWAP and POC, and that is, for me, that's nothing. I don't like it. This is sideways market, and price wants to be at VWAP, it wants to be at POC. This is not interesting. I took one higher risk trade. It was this one, standard deviation 1. Why did I took this short? Because we did it before, and I was aware this was a multiple confirmation short with higher risk, so I was aware. So I had a tight stop. We had sellers getting in, then price dropped. We see structure holding for downwards. I did not take these shorts because I don't trade from the VWAP. I don't like it. Finally it broke, pushes away. This was the lower high after the structure break. So this one was a nice one, nice trade. Then here we ended up to the zone. I had this zone here, a weekly pivot point also, so I was expecting some liquidity over here. Let me check my other chart. This is the 1336. By the way, this is already bond open. We had the drop. This is the bond open. We had the drop. Nice lower high after the break. Normal pullback. Deltas confirming, everything confirming over here. So then we have multiple confirmations to take this long, this bounce off. Outside standard deviation 2, we had KISS, we had volume, we had this oscillator telling us still 2 signals. It wants to rotate. We were at the zone, we were at the level. Everything was confirming. So I took this long, and I took this long here also. Because this deviation was holding and deltas was building, it was higher risk because still it can go both ways. It can still go both ways. But outside the standard deviation 2, many times price making a pullback back to the VWAP. And in this case, volume was not that great, and we did not have much pressure for the continuation to the downside. So I was expecting more waves ranging and try to benefit from that, because we had it before also, before the bond. We had it on London. So I was not expecting a lot of movement here at the bond. So trade, 3 trades plus this one, 4 trades, and we had one at the, where was it? Sorry, here. We had this one on London, 5 trades. This is a same bounce and same continuation. If you look at this, it did exactly the same over here. Always try to look left. If you look left, bounced off this zone with a deviation, etc. And here it did the same. So history repeats itself. Higher risk because I was missing one important signal on this long, but I took it. Took it with half the positions, 2 contracts. Normally I take 3 to 4, and then this was a difficult situation because you can go short, you can go long, you can go both ways. If you lost this short, it was logical because we had confirmations to short this thing, but the delta was telling long, so it would be most smart to stay away. I took a small loss. I was short on this one, the first one, and then I waited because I didn't like it. Don't let delta lead me too much, but I took a small loss on this one. But I had my profits. I had some extra profits already for on a daily target, so I had some profits to play with. So that was my pre-New York session, also called the bond open. We had more movements there. We had enough setups. We see every day the bond open gives us at least 5, 6, maybe 8, 7, 8 setups. London gives some setups. We only need 2 good setups. We only need 2. So it's most important to protect your profits. Better protect your profits than take higher risk. If you get nice profits, maybe you want to scale down your position size, your contract size when entering new trades, when you're already nice in profits at that day. So that was my recap for Ultra Bonds today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more or know more or chat with me, hit me up on my Discord server. See you later, guys. Bye bye.